Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury fashion and accessories. It's a British luxury brand, renowned for its sophisticated menswear, accessories, and leather goods. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Dunhill, 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 Dunhill. Dunhill is celebrated for its classic British style and craftsmanship, with iconic products including finely tailored suits, elegant leather accessories, and distinctive writing instruments. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Dunhill, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.